This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download all of your ChatGPT data. So logged into ChatGPT, this is obviously where you would enter a message. We need to come down to the settings. So right at the bottom left, you'll see either your initials, as I have here, it says MC, highlighted it says Matthew Crawford, or it will be a picture of you. So your initials or a picture of you, click that at the bottom left. Then we are going to come down to settings about halfway down. Once you've opened up the settings, we have a whole bunch of options here in the main settings. So we're on general by default. We want to come down about halfway to data controls. So from data controls at the bottom, there's a whole bunch of information and options here that might be worthwhile as far as archiving stuff. You can archive all of your chats here. That might be useful to you. And you can manage the actual archive chats there. But for exporting data, we have this option here, export data at the bottom. You will click on export now. And we now get this information. So you're requesting a data export. Are you sure? Your account details and chats will be included in the export. The data will be sent to your registered email in a downloadable file. The download link will expire 24 hours after you receive it. Very important. Processing may take some time. You'll be notified when it's ready, so it won't instantly be sent. You might have to wait a while. To proceed, click confirm export below, which we will do. We'll click on this black button for confirm. And just like that, the export will be sent. So like it says there, it won't instantly come through. It will come to your email. Those are the two most important points. It's not instant, but it will come through to your email eventually. And once it does, and you look at that, it will go in 24 hours. So it will self-destruct in 24 hours, essentially, in a kind of old Mission Impossible sense. So you'll find that in your email. It won't be instant, and you'll be able to access all of your ChatGPT data there. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, you found it informative, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.